I really think you're going to enjoy this lab exercise. You're going to have to put some work in, but I think the result is going to be very satisfying to you.
This video is brought to you by OppiePie's Academy.
You can see on the actual lab sheet, I've got an output of how the program should look when it's done. I've given you a few hints and I've shown you what the CSV file should look like that's produced by the program. Let's give the program a quick run through. So Python, and I called it directory.py. All right, so this menu is displayed here, and there's three options: add to directory, display directory, or exit the directory program. So if we hit B, I've already got a directory saved. You can see there's the directory. Now the directory itself is actually saved in a CSV file. There's directory.csv. And if we take a look at this in a text editor, you'll see that it's just a comma-separated value file, like we discussed earlier. So we have, there we go, first name, comma, last name, comma, email address, comma, phone number, and then we go on to the next one. So think about how you want to save that on the disk. Now, if we add to the directory, I'll choose A here. First name, let's say Bob, last name Smith, email bob@bobsmith.com, phone number 203-222-1278. And now if we display the directory again, there you can see Bob has been added to it. If we hit X, the program exits gracefully. And if we hit something that doesn't make sense, we get an invalid selection error and we get to choose an option again. So we have a fairly complete program here that really does something useful. This displays and allows you to add members to the actual directory that's created. So code carefully, break this down into a number of smaller problems, and you'll probably do just fine. Don't forget, if you get stuck, you can take a quick peek at the answer set, but don't code in the code I have there. Take a peek and then try and make some more progress on your own. Good luck. You're writing programs here that really do something with the Python programming language.